Okay. If you're like most young men, your room is probably fucking atrocious. I know mine is. I have legit crap everywhere on the floor and just like food hanging about. I have random ass knives and shit. Like, watch this. Boom. I don't know why I have this. Why do I have it right there where like people can get it and stuff? So today's video, and if you can find any value in it, is going to be a clean with me. I always believe that a clean room is a clean mind, and a disciplined room is a disciplined mind, and vice versa. A disciplined mind is a disciplined room. So the first step of any good self-improvement is cleaning the space around you so you can actually improve on the space up here. Ready? Oh, and just like a before pic, let's get this. This is what my room mostly looks like. There is crap everywhere. The computer desks and stuff. It's just like terrible. The bed looks like shit. So I think that's probably where we'll start first. Okay, on the bed. Let's get it. Okay, so two things about the bed. The bed is the best place to start. It makes room for other stuff, and it makes the room look instantly cleaner. As soon as you put the final cover over it, everything just clicks. And the bed is always used for only two things: sleep and sex. It should be regulated the amount of use for other things, and should definitely be watched. So there's the final result. As you can see, guys, it does not take much to clean up a bed. Boom. Now we're gonna go on to the rest of the room, which is all this over here. We have a bunch of dirty clothes to tackle. The chair is looking atrocious, and the closet looks it looks like anal. It's just disgusting. This area back here. So we'll ignore the chair for now, and we'll just get the floor done. So if we get the floor done, we can walk wherever, and then we can clean wherever. That's pretty much the most basic solution. And that's how I've always done it. And it's never taken me anything more than about 5 to 8 minutes. So let's get that done. Okay, so the easiest way to clean your room is splitting it into quadrants or fourths or whatever. Just splitting it up into sections that you can clean makes everything so much easier. And in doing so, splitting those sections up, you still want to clean the floor first. In any section, that's the first rule. You want to clean the floor first. Get the big stuff off the floor. That way you can move around. That way you're not stepping on eggshells trying to clean everything else. As you can see, we're also starting to put stuff on the bed. Any guy's room must have a hamper or a box to put dirty clothes in. Some sort of container for it, because I'll tell you, it gets everywhere. And it is just, it makes the room look terrible. You don't want a girl over or something of that sort, and your room is just atrocious, and there's dirty underwear on a chair that y'all are sitting on. Disgusting. Clean it. Get a box. Now we have it fixed. Mostly fixed. So there. Quickest way and easiest way to devise a room cleaning plan is to look at the place we're cleaning and basically cut it into portions. So as you can see, the rest of the room is still pretty dirty other than this floor bit and my bed, which is fine. That's how we want it. If we make it to where, it stays a little dirty, we can easily clean other portions and then put whatever stuff we need in those other portions. It's completely fine. And this is one of the most proper ways to clean a room. Alright, next area. So next area, let's deal with all that garbage right there. Everything right there. Just kind of sucks. Yeah. Alright. In this part, we're doing all the same stuff as last time. The only different things I have to comment on are the easiest way to keep things clean and the easiest way to clean it off if you can't manage to keep it clean. So, the easiest way to keep things clean is to resist finding just any surface to put something on. Put it in its place. Don't get lazy, and it's so easy to get lazy. So, put stuff in its place. But if you can't manage that, sort stuff into categories and move it from there. That is the easiest way to clean it if you can't manage it. Also, if you are like me and you like to read, always keep a book on your nightstand. Right now, I have the Bible because I am a religious person, but it could be any book if you aren't into that. Okay, so let's be honest. Everyone that's watching this, teenage guys, I know almost every single one of your rooms smells probably like cum. Let's be honest. We all do it. We all jerk the chicken. It's a necessity, okay? You don't want when company's over to be like, "Ooh, this shit smells like the Red Sea because of how salty it is in here." Don't do that. Quickest way to beat that, get one of these. This is like a diffuser, and it'll put a different scent in your room. It'll blow smoke, and it will smell really nice. You won't get high, and others won't get high either, maybe unless you like put too much in it. But just a couple drops of like some freaking oil. I just put mint in it because it smells fresh. Do that. This is the quickest way to beat the nasty smelling room. And my room typically does because I don't clean it that often. But that is a life changer. And life changer, game changer, life saver, whatever you want to call it. Use it though. Buy it. It's definitely like, unless you got like a genuinely pretty clean room, or spray some Febreze, but anything that can put a different smell in your room, because let's be honest, it smells. As a guy, it smells. Unless you have women living with you, it smells. Put it in your room. Easiest way to beat it. Okay. So we got the. Let's see here. Yeah, alright. We got this side of the room almost done. Right. Now we're just kind of gonna work on this side of the room. As you can see, my camera died, so I already got some of the laundry done, and that's over here. It's been separated into that pile, and then we have, shoes and stuff. So we're gonna get this side of the room done now, and I'll show that on film. Again, we just practice the same principles of taking stuff off of the surface, organizing it, moving it from there, and we're placing it on the bed. So it's a good thing we got that clean first, right? And that's basically it. I do the same exact thing for the other side. I don't know if I'll really show that on camera just because, this video is already getting kind of long. but that's pretty much it. Again, to keep it clean, everything has a place, so the shelves actually did a lot of good and helped there. Books have their own place, put that in the books pile. Yeah. Okay, so I found another thing. I wanted to share with you guys that you don't have to get a certified screen cleaner. If you can get some multi-surface cleaner, that also works really well for these laptops, laptop screens, monitors, etc. And also this desk. I noticed something when I was doing the desk. I'm putting the cords right now behind the desk, right? No one wants to see cords out in the open. It's just such a mess, and your feet are always in it, and they always get tangled. So just for the sake of efficiency, take 5 seconds, put the cords behind the desk. That much difference. So once again, my footage got corrupted. I don't know why this keeps happening, but I apologize for this. So, room cleaning update. I know we left off last time. Right here. So the desk has been fully cleaned. This area has been fully cleaned. And this area has been fully cleaned. Now, no value has been lost of the video because there's not much I can really say about, folding laundry up and cleaning a closet, other than folding clothes is bullshit as a guy, and I'll get to that later, but just takes up so much time, and yeah, really a lot of cleaning as a guy is unnecessary unless you have company over, which does happen quite often if you aren't spurting out. So cleaning is necessary even though it sucks. So yeah, I'm going to finish up folding the laundry, and then we'll check back in. I'm not going to record any footage because I don't want it lost, so I'm just going to cut the video like that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're almost done with the room. It's getting completely refinished now, and it's looking pretty good actually. So I finished up whatever was on the bed. That is all done now. We got the chair moved, the suitcases put up, and if we go in here to the closet, it's looking pretty clean too. Yeah, only got a couple of stuff left out. Only got a couple of loose ends. What next we need to do is just make sure the floor is, completely clean. We still got a couple things here and there, like that, and stuff that just needs to be a little bit cleaned up. Once we're done, we take this upstairs, and it's gonna be fine. But we really just need a vacuum, and that's about it. So let's get to the time lapse of that real quick. That was a bomb transition, bro. As you can see, it's a little bit later right now. So, life got in the way. We had to do some extra things. But I feel like such a vlogger, like such an influencer. I don't know why. But this is it. We got it all clean. And I actually noticed that I didn't record an outro. So this is pretty much the outro. And I'm editing the video right there. But everything looks really good. We vacuumed. We did everything we needed to. It looks fine. Actually looks really good. So in recording this outro, I guess I just need to say a couple of things. The number one tip I have for you guys, make the bed first. Making the bed first always shows signs of discipline. And especially when your bed is already made, make it in the mornings. It's the easiest way to keep and clean your room. Second, take everything off of a surface, put it in the pile, and sort it, organize it, and then move it from there. Once you can push it out,
and actually get it done, that's all you need. You just need it off, wipe it down, put it back on, and it looks nicer. And just like reorganize some stuff. That's it. When you're cleaning this area, any sort of area, split it into smaller places. That way you can focus it a little bit more and you aren't running around the whole entire area looking for just a couple of things. When you split it into sections, like we did when we were cleaning, everything went so much smoother. This was probably the smoothest time I ever cleaned my room, and it's turned out to be the best. Another summarization point, put everything in its place. The best way to maintain your room, if it doesn't have a place, give it a place, but put it in its place. Don't leave it out. Don't get lazy. That's the easiest way to keep and clean your room. Alright, so I hope this video has helped you guys. I know in making it, it actually really has helped me discover something about the way I sort of clean and the way I view cleaning in general. I said earlier in the video that I think folding clothes is BS for cleaning, or for guys in general. But then I also kind of contradicted it, and I said something that, looking back at it now, editing, has actually surprised me. Cleaning as a guy is an important skill to learn. You're always going to have to clean something, job sites, rooms, etc. But it is all necessary. When you have a woman over, or even for yourself, trying to be efficient as possible, you always want the cleanest area to do it. Clean is smooth, smooth is efficient and fast and effective. We know this. The only problem is trying to apply the principle in cleaning it, and which is what I've tried to do with this video. In the whole entire goal of cleaning my room, I figured it out that this is completely a necessary thing. We're gonna have to do it, and no one wants to, but the easiest way to do it is how I showed you. So click the like button, click the subscribe button, leave a comment what you thought of this. Maybe if I should do the vlogger type style still, or what, or just keep it straight and clean. But anyway guys, that's all I got time for today, and I'll see you in the next one.